Hey, how's it going? It's Flashy Ubuntu. Today I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall packages with Linux. So basically we want to install a free software or application like Inkscape is the example we're going to use today. It's a fairly large program. I'm going to show you how to install that, and then I'm going to show you how to remove that, and additionally purge and clean your system so that you're not logged down with tons of extra files. So we're going to start in terminal. This is command line interface, and we're going to do sudo apt update. We want to make sure we are up to date on our main system first. And like I said, the reason I'm choosing Inkscape is that it is quite a large program, so you can see how much information gets left behind if you don't do a purge after removing an application or software. So we want to install Inkscape. We're going to use sudo install Inkscape and hit enter. Oh, I'm sorry, I left something out. Apt install Inkscape. Sudo apt install Inkscape. I'm moving a little too fast. Now you'll see here there's a lot of dependencies, so it's going to install quite a bit. It's asking if we want to hit yes to continue. That's nearly 300 megabytes of information. We're going to hit yes. And this is going to take a second. Alright, we did jump ahead here a little bit. Wrapping up. 97, 98%, 89, 100. Alright, now it's going to unpack and install, or I'm sorry, it has already downloaded. It is now unpacking and installing all of the dependencies and software that we need to run Inkscape. This will take a minute as well, so I'll probably jump ahead. Alright, so Inkscape is gone, everything's cleaned up. We want to run, this is optional, but we want to clean up the package cache. This is going to remove any local repository or retrieve package files. So we're going to do sudo apt clean, and that is done. And then we can type in clear, and we're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If it helped you out, please hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe and share with anyone you think might be interested. Flashy Ubuntu out.